Okay, we're live. Cool. I always find it difficult. I always find it difficult to understand if we are live or not. So today I'm going to try to make an integration between Saasform and Airtable, and we will probably have a tutorial later on and maybe a project. It will be based on something I did with the Typeform. So I have integrated Saasform with Typeform, and it was pretty straightforward. For the moment, let's open the Airtable site. I have already signed up to Airtable, and I'm going to add a base from scratch, just something super easy. Saasform test. And yes, I'm going just to leave everything as it is. I'll create a form. And then share form. Basically, share form will allow me to embed this form on my website. So this is the code for embedding the form on my website, and it will be like this. If everything is fine, we will have these in our website protected by Saasform. So to start easy. We will start from we will start from the Express demo. So I can go to SRC and I can just make a copy of Demo Express, and I'm going to call Demo Express Air Table. And it copies things. It also copies the node modules directory. That is why it's long. And then I can open my Demo Express Airtable. And let's just go really from super scratch. So, and in another directory, I can go from here and I can start the Docker compose app Saasform, which will bring us Saasform and its database, because Saasform depends on the database, and we should be able to see things. So now here, let's open Visual Studio Code here. You know, Visual Studio Code is my editor of choice, and what we have here is a node application which already has the Saasform integration, which is this part here, and we probably will turn this into a passport strategy, but we are not there yet, so that's it. And this is the default server and the default login. It should fetch it from the environment variables, and just in case it will fall back here. So let's say that we temporarily disable the authentication. I'm not sure. No, let's do it this way. So in the meanwhile, it has started, and we see that if we go to let's use this private form, so we don't have cookies and things. So if we go to local host 3000, it does nothing because of course it has not started. So here yard start, and okay, Saasform is initialized, so here we have, and we are redirected to Saasform, and we have the signing. So I can use an example, a user that I already had from, nope, okay, just sign up. Test airtable at example.com. Test airtable at example.com, and password, and sign up, and okay. This happens because I was integrating something, and I was using my DNS, and the DNS is fetched from MySQL. So if I go here and I select start from settings, no. Okay, I see that I select start from settings, you see? What's that? Oh, unable to connect. Why? Let's close everything and connect again. Oh, I know why. Because if you start Saasform out of the box like this, you are not getting access to the database, because we don't want to clash with a possible database that you're using. So you need to specify to forward ports. So if you see the docker compose.yaml, it doesn't have the port forward, and if you look at the docker compose.dev.yaml, it has the port forward for the database. So that's the only difference, is that docker compose app -f docker compose.yaml and -f docker compose.dev.yaml, so it will override the -f goes first and app goes later. It will override the port forward, and I will be able to access the database from my client here. So let's wait for MariaDB to start. It should be fast, because it is fast because all the migrations are already run. And then now I can connect, and I see the tables. And if I look and I select star from settings, I see that I have the domain primary that is pointing to vernizis.it, which is my domain, and And this is because I was integrating something in production. I can remove this and apply. This is the situation that you get if you start it from scratch. And therefore, if you log in with the user that we just have registered, we are redirected to our SAS placeholder. Now, what we want to do is to turn this SAS placeholder into something Airtable-like, Airtable-friendly. So we go back and we take the Airtable code, and we take our view, we take our index.j, that is this one, and we need to put this into an iframe. So we need to put this iframe somewhere. So I'm putting this, let's put it into a div here, and with Jade you can put div dot, and everything that is later will be added to the div. So I'm just putting this, and the dot stuff allows me to go down and have it on multiple lines, even if the code highlighting is not working properly. Everything should be working properly. So if I refresh, I should see my form here, and this is a test. This is a note, and then well, of course I could attach files and everything, and I can put the status. I submit, and if I go to my Airtable, I should see that in my grid view, I have my test with its note and the status. And this is cool because we can take with a very simple Express code, which is basically our tutorial. We can have a front end with user authentication and everything, and basically the backend will be Airtable with all of its features. So it's really no code backend and very little code front end, and you can create your service and have users and payments in, like, what was that, 5 minutes or so. Then of course you need to style everything a little bit, but it's cool. So I call this a success, and let's make this a little bit less ugly so we can commit, and yeah. So index.j takes stuff from takes parameters, h1 equal title, and we can say that this is Airtable on Express on Saasform demo, and welcome. This is an embedded Airtable form served from an Express application, and then we add something like authentication and payments are provided by Saasform, and that's it. You're logged in as email verified, blah blah blah, and whatever. We can leave all of these here. So no, what's that? Oh, okay. So why it doesn't like it? Because of the equal. Okay, good. And that's it. That's cool. Of course, we could style it and the integration can be better. Like here, it auto sizes its height and everything, but I think this depends on the length of the form, so you need to change it. Who cares? I mean, yeah, it's not super beautiful. So let's use this. Oh no, let's not use these because the height is fixed. What we can do, what I'd like to do is to take this form and yes, and when you share the form, you have this code here, which is the same that goes here. So let's say that we want to make in a way so that we can pass this as parameter. Let's see if we can make it work. And we say air table share code, and we're going to provide these. Let's start with the router. Something like air table share code, and we say that for the moment we are coded like this. Oh, let's make it even better. Like, let's go back and say that this is the title, and the title is passed from index. And we'll put an exclamation mark so that I know that if I see an exclamation mark here and everything works, it's because all these parameter passing works, but it doesn't. So what is not working? Air table share code maybe is not spelled properly. No, it is spelled properly. Oh, I forgot the closing bracket. Still not working. Oh yeah. No. Oh, it has the auto upload. So what's the problem? Let's see if I'm just adding these so I can debug and I see what's the airtable share-code. It doesn't like this airtable share-code like this. Oh, because it's with dash. So probably we can go back to the double quotes here, which is the same. Well, let's be optimist. And yeah, no, maybe refuse to connect. Let's see what we have in the iframe. Okay, yeah, it's not embedding that. Why is it not working? I'd like to see why it's not working. So it's not embedding this correctly. Because, well, an easy way is to do this. So it's a little bit lame way, but air table URL share URL source, let's call it. And then we go back here and we say that Airtable source URL, let's say, which is better, more correct. Okay, now we should have not found yet. What's the problem? Source URL. Oh, yeah, not here. Maybe it's not found. It's this part that it was not found. And then we're putting the proper stuff here. And then we're getting this code. We put it, nope. We put it here. And let's see what we have. I'm not liking it. Why it's not working? Well, it turns out that the issue was the auto reload, that it was not working properly. Good. I like to waste time this way. So maybe it was working since the beginning. I don't know, but I don't care. So it's good like this. Now let's fetch these from the Saasform. No, yeah, from the environment variable. Yeah. For the moment, from the environment variable is fine. And then we might think about putting these into the Saasform file. So we'll say Airtable share code. And then we take these. And then we go here, we stop it, and we say that Airtable share code equals this one, yarn start, and let's see what happens. Yeah, good. Good. You see, I have my application that embeds an Airtable, and it's generic, so it can embed any Airtable form, and you can start it anyway. You can start it by passing its passing the share code of Airtable, and you're good to go. Of course, you can make these as complex as possible. You can add things like other routes, other forms, and so on. So let's make an experiment. Since it was fast, let's try to add. Yeah, I'm not sure. If I add to my users to the profile, here, if I take these and I add to the profile, basically, well, let's make it better. No, so basically the idea is that this profile should be passed to this profile. Should somehow be passed in the here in the JWT. So if I add here the Airtable sharing, Airtable share code. Am I having it? No. Silly me. I did a mess. So is this still valid? No, there's one bracket dot more, two brackets more. It's okay, I need to remove two brackets from here. And I apply these. I'm not sure if I'm seeing these in the JWT here. I don't, but maybe because I need to add it to the settings, to the allowed keys too. No, probably it's buried more inside. Well, so here I can go here, I can invite other users, like I add another user, I add my friend Jack, and I say Jack at example.com, and I invite him. And if I log out, and I can of course log in. Oh no, because he needs to reset the password, and example.com is not receiving an email. Okay. And it would be nice if we could pre-compile, fill some data. So let's see, Airtable embed pre-fill data, if it is possible. I'm not sure it is possible. Maybe it is. Pre-filling a form. Let's see. Copy from URL, add. Well, prefill who? Log this issue. Okay, so maybe that I can add prefill underscore to my integration. Let's find it out. And something like an background and prefill. What do we prefill? What do we have? Name. Prefill name with rec user.name. And let's see. It didn't work, or it was the auto reload. Let's see. Yeah, the auto reload again. So oh, prefill name undefined. Well, we have two issues here. Let's use the user email, which we always have, user email. And oh no, we have the table shortcode. Cool, nice. I'm happy. Not happy because it has the quotes, but it's cool. Oh, it has the quotes probably because there's a dash, because I am a beast. Well, cool. So the idea is that if we put this into the user profile, we can provide different forms for each profile, maybe depending on the role or anything. And we can have this form can be really anything. This application can be really anything, and it doesn't even have to have to know the form it is using. And this is super cool. To get there 100%, we still need to have some way to update the profile of the users with API, which we kind of have, but not really. So, but we're almost there. Good. So let's try to prefill form with that table. I want to prefill, but I want to prefill an embedded form, not any form. Prefill data on embedded form. Prefilled forms, prefill a form, auto user, being before a table form, net table. Pre-filled form made easy. Yes, but I... Form... Premium form features. What's the premium? Oh, yes, it's just a styling. Pre-filling a form. But this is what we just had. Maybe that I'm not doing this correctly. So let's see. If I make this, so I'm basically trying to debug if maybe I did something wrong with this. Yeah, you see why it's not working. Maybe It is case sensitive. Who knows? Embed. Where's my profile name? Yay! So maybe it was because it was case sensitive, so we can go back here and make it capital here too. And here we go. Let's see. Let's hope. Nope. Boo. Oh, wait a second. Again, maybe it's because we need to start over. I should really fix this auto reload stuff. I probably have lost hours in trying to change working code because it wasn't auto reloaded and making it not working code because it wasn't auto reloading. Yep, it works. So the only stuff that we need to change is that this is not a name, it's an email. Name field, email. And of course, here too probably, we need to change to email. Email. And there we are. Yep. How cool is that? So we have embedded forms with the pre-filled data taken directly from Saasform profile. And so if I go here and I add another user, a user for which I have an email, like me. And I add me. And I confirm, no, and I probably reset my password. Oh, no, bad me. I didn't, I think I didn't put the SendGrid key, so probably I will not receive the email anyway. Let's see. Login. Yeah. I'm not getting the reset email. Boomer. I'm sad. Well, I can use my knowledge of the system to fake the link. So basically, if I go to the users and I fetch the users, and I have the reset password token here, and is it like this just? Nope, I don't remember. Okay. So the website controller is what basically handles all of these. Probably the authentication is the right place to look at. This is website controllers, is where all the controller for the website actions. Verify email token, no, we don't need it. Password reset, yes. Password change. Silly me. So password change slash, and then I put the reset token. This is the link that I will get with the email if I had put the SAS, the same stuff. So here we are, and we put in the password, and we confirm it, and then we should be able to log in. And here we are logging in as davidevernizzi@gmail.com, and here we have our profile stuff. Good. So the top will be if we were able to hide some field so that it's not shown and it cannot be changed. Let's see. Airtable hide field in form. The issue here is that you can hide fields in here, but I'm not sure if you pass it. Let's see, Airtable prefill hidden field, but I don't know if I can prefill and hidden prefill. Okay, maybe. Let's see. Like if I hide this one, and the great part is that probably if I refresh here, everything works without deploying and nothing, because Airtable is cool, and not without email. Let's see if it works. Submit, and let's see if it sent the email to or not. No, bummer. Pity. Well, I think you cannot ask for everything. Well, I think nothing is perfect. Prefill hidden Airtable feeds in mini extension form. Let's see what does this stuff do. You have without literally showing them in the form, which is what I want to do. It's a mini extension, but this embed it on your site. Okay, now it seems it's not the way to go. So I'm adding a field here. Remove required. I'm not super sure. Remove field, it's not. Show field only when conditions are met. Cannot add conditions. Why? Maybe this is a trick to trick it. Let's see. What's this mini extension does? Demo. Allow hidden field to be fulfilled. Hidden field. Hidden field. Wait a second. Probably it's this one. It's this one. Hide field. I cannot hide this one. Let's do with the notes. Because name is a particular remove. Name is email is a particular field here, so it's the key one, it's the primary one, and it has some limitations. So let's do this, and let's say that show only when conditions are mail, when email contains something that it will never contain. I know it's lame, but let's just pretend that this has some it has some kind of logic behind. Then we can and prefill notes equal, don't know, again rect.user.email, just because I can. Or we can even do something like sent by this guy. Let's see what happens here. No, I stopped at the wrong thing. Please. Oh, it always takes more to stop than to start. It's crazy. Now maybe actions are pending. Hello. Starting really now. So we can start our Express stuff too. Saasform initialized. And now, can we do this? Okay, submit. Let's see what we submitted. Yeah, no. The last maybe that I have in mind is that this sent by with a plus was not really. Oh wait, let's wait. So I'm just putting sent without anything else, so that at least I'm seeing if it works. Then we will figure it out why it's not working properly. Just out of curiosity, did this notes with notes sent yeah, it looks like it works. You can change it. Yeah. No, it's not working. Well, clearly, I know not enough about Airtable to tweak to this level. Apparently, you can pre-fill things here with this extension. But you have the choice to allow pre-filling any field, including hidden ones, in the form. Our form works the same way. This is the support. Oh, you see, this is another different form. So they probably have reverse engineered the Airtable form so that they provide their own form where you can you can do things. So it's fine. I don't care. I mean, we probably could use this one too, and it would work just the same. And this is nice. We give me an extension form. Let's see what it does. Oh, nice. Okay. By the way, I wonder if there's any way to refill form with a specific record. Let's see. Airtable edit record with a form. Let's see. Maybe they have something. It would be nice. Yeah, update existing record. Yeah, probably they have extensions. Update recollection. Probably you need to resort to extensions, but the idea is the same. So if you can embed the extension somewhere, then you can use it your way. Oh, nice. Connect type form. You can connect type form. Yeah, nice. Okay. Yeah, you have a lot of integrations, but still the idea is the same. And probably connect another form using Zapier. That's how these guys did. Cool. So this was interesting to do, fun to do, and I will be recording a proper tutorial with probably everything from scratch, so that it is maybe easier to follow. So bye.